Hello guys, I have come to mountain and this mountain is near my village and almost I come to mountain to make blog video, make conversation video and I going to show beautiful mountain behind me you can see and guys I come to here and I practice English speaking, English spoken. Guys, I don't have gone any institute for learning English because I practice myself English speaking because I think that anything not impossible. Impossible is made possible. So guys, while I was studying in the school, that time I was studying in Hindi medium school. At that time I read English book very good and also Hindi, but at that time I could not learn English. So guys, I am sorry. I learn English very late, and no matter that I am learning English this moment, this time. So guys, I practice every day English speaking, and guys, if someone's try to speak English, he can learn English easily because it is the language, not other difficult matter. Because like we learn English, Hindi very well, and other language we speak very well, but English is the difficult because we don't use everyday English for speaking, so that we feel difficult to speak English. But now I like easy to the English language. So that guys, I was thinking that English is speaking impossible by me because I thought that with whom I will talk English, then our English speaking skillness will be improved. So that guys, I thought like this, but I did get this kind of idea, and I follow this that this time I am practicing English speaking. So guys, you can think that English language is the global language and everyone wants to learn English. So that I also thought that why not I will learn English. Yes guys, it is right. So guys, I come to mountain for practicing English myself, and this time I can speak very well English. So guys, first of all I forget to introduce myself. I Bariyat Tudu from Jharkhand, and the Jharkhand is the covered by the forest. This land is much more the forest area, mountain area. So that Jharkhand's name became Jharkhand. So that guys, it is the very wonderful, amazing name, our state. So guys, in my village, no one that they can speak English. There is no environment for English speaking. So guys, I can't talk with my partner of my village, so that I download Sky app from the Play Store, and through this uh, app I can talk with another for English speaking, so that guys I can contact with the people through the Sky app application. So guys, I think that English is the very important this moment. Every guardian their children sent to English medium school for learning English. So I think also very important for English learning. So I start to speak English and practice English, and at that time I feel English very good, very easy. Already I told that English is not another matter. English is only language. Language can be learned by any people. So guys, I make blog video here on the mountain. I have come here, and guys, there is the mountain, but here is no big tree, because at present there is no big tree. I cannot show big tree, but it is called mountain. So guys, almost I come to mountain, and here I practice to learn English, how to practice English. So guys, first of all, I understood that I should learn English grammar, then I can speak and can talk with the people English very well. So that I suggest all of you that you all have knowledge of the grammar rule, then you can achieve for English speaking. Otherwise, for English speaking is impossible. So guys, I am here, and I practice, and also I make blog video, make conversation video. I talk with any other person through the Sky app. So guys, this is easy. If you want to learn English, so that guys, it is impossible, because I was thinking that it is impossible. How someone can practice himself English speaking, because English speaking it impossible without environment. But I did get this kind of idea, and that I flow now, and this time English completely I learn. So that guys, it is the language, you can learn English. It is not difficult for you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.